What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful day on the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. But today we got something a little special or different. I live pretty close to the Road Atlanta racetrack in Braselton, Georgia, and they're having a little race event there. It's the NASA race, which stands for National Auto Super Association or something like that. So they're having a little race. It's just like modified street cars, kit cars, and stuff like that. But we got decent weather today, so just figured I'd make a little video and go see the race and see how it is, because I've never been to this race before. I've been to Road Atlanta plenty of times, but you know, never this race. So we're gonna check it out, see how it is. It is a little chilly today. It's about 55, but still better than 28 or 30, so not too much. It's good enough for me to ride. Hui. But it is overcast, so it's always warmer when it's overcast in the winter. You know how it be. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy this whole Sunday afternoon. Hey, my boy got the Christmas wreath on the Scat Pack. Heck yeah. Even a fast boy's gotta be festive. You know. Hitchhiker. Yeah, hop on, buddy. Come on. We're definitely not making this light. Oh yeah, we are. Okay. It's a little chilly on the highway. I knew I should have brought my other jacket. Got a little bit of traffic to work with. That's all right. It's so friggin' windy. To the exit. Woohoo! She likes the cold weather. Running nice and cool. Wasn't paying attention to the light, my bad. We're chilling. Ooh, a little C8 Corvette. I think it was a Z06 too. Freaking sweet. Grip's good on that pavement. Wasn't ready for it. Bumpy. Fine. What the frick? That guy was like waving at me. He was like, I just looked over at the last second to see him.
How can I help you?
I need to buy a ticket.
Okay. If you will print and sign on both of these.
Alright. Thank you.
And then it's $20.
Do y'all take card?
Do not take card. Don't worry about it, sweetie.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Frickin' sweet. Got him for free. Is it through here?
You have a wristband?
Yeah.
I see it. Thank you.
That girl. Can I see it? Excuse me. Yeah, you can see it, bro. Relax. Look at all the cars. That's cool. Freaking Miata. Ooh. That thing is sexy. Is there like a normal freaking parking lot? Ooh, got the Porsche. Holy gat. And bro, I love how I'm just driving in through the pits, around through the pits, like, what the frick? I don't really know where I'm supposed to park. So many little race cars. I don't see like any spectators. I feel like I'm the only freaking spectator out here. Ha ha ha! God damn! Freaking Civic. Sick. Ooh, got the Mark V Supra. Corvette. God dang, that thing's loud. Another Corvette coming up. Those Corvettes sound freaking good. Holy crap. God dang. Anyways, that's gonna be it from me today, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.